In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily trade any meme coins. First, we need an account on Femex. So if you want to create an account on Femex, make sure to go down to the first link in the video description to get to exactly this page right here. And you can get up to $4,800 of welcome bonuses. To create your account, simply enter your email address right here, set a password, and then you're ready to go. Once you have created an account and you log in for the first time, you will get to exactly this page right here. And the first thing we need to do is to, of course, deposit some money. And to do that, we simply go up here to deposit. And then first I'm going to show you how you can deposit with crypto. So if you already have some crypto, just go to on-chain deposit right here. Then make sure to choose your cryptocurrency you want to deposit up here. For example, US dollar Tether, Bitcoin, Ethereum, whichever one you want. In this case, I'm going to show you with Tether. Then down here, choose the network. Doesn't really matter which one you choose. Just make sure you're using the same network as from the exchange or wallet you're sending the money from. In my case, I'm going to choose Solana. And then down here, you will get your personal deposit address, which you can now copy to your clipboard and then send the crypto to this address. The money should arrive within a few minutes. And my recommendation is if you're sending larger sums, make sure to send a small transaction first. And then once you have it, send the remaining amount. So that's how you can deposit with crypto. If you don't have any crypto yet, or you just prefer to deposit with fiat, there's also some options. First, you can go up here to buy crypto and then, for example, choose credit or debit card. If you click on that, you can type in the amount you want to deposit, choose which currency you want to receive, and just click on buy down here. Then you will be redirected to this payment provider, complete the purchase, and then after that, you will have the money here on your account in the received cryptocurrency. That is one option. The second option would be to directly deposit with fiat. If you just go up here to buy crypto and then click on fiat deposit, you can also type in the amount right here again. Click on deposit, and then here you will also be redirected to this third-party service. And once you've confirmed the deposit on there, you will have the money here on your account. But note that this can take up to 2 days. So once you have money deposited to your account, you can always check that by going up here to your wallet symbol and just click on here. Here we'll get an overview of all of your assets on your account. So for example, as you can see, I have my assets under the spot account right here available, so I can use them now to trade. And if you click in here, by the way, you can also see more about the different assets. In this case, I'm fine, so I can now start with the meme coin trading. And to do that, we simply go up here to spot and then click on MemeX right here. That is a new feature from Femex. It's very useful. If you wanted to trade meme coins before, you would need a personal Solana wallet and also a third-party provider such as Radium to even execute these trades. So it was much more complicated, but now since it's integrated on Femex, it's very easy to trade any meme coins. So first of all, on the platform right here, you can see the gainers, you can see some trending coins, or also if you can sort them by themes, for example, here. If you like some coins, you can always put them on your watch list right here. And then if you go to your watch list, you will see the coins in here. And if you want to buy or sell a coin, just simply click on it. Or by the way, you can also, of course, search for a coin up here. That's also possible. In my case, I'm just going to choose this one, for example. You will see the price chart directly right here. And on the right side, you can now execute your buy or sell orders. In my case, I want to buy a little bit. I can then type in the amount I want to buy. You can start with as little as $1. In my case, I'm just going to choose, for example, $100. You will also see your available balance right here. In my case, I have the $500. And then all you need to do is just click on buy right here to execute the purchase. If you go to details right here, you can also see immediately how much you are getting, what's the fee you're paying, and the price impact. The price impact can also be important because if you're using very high volumes, since these coins are very small, it can have a huge impact on the price. So you might pay a much higher price than you initially wanted to. But by seeing right here how much the impact on the price is, as you can see, it's pretty much nothing because the order book is filled enough for my small order. And now you can see it changed a little bit to 0.13%, but that's very useful to see how much of an impact you will have on the price by executing your orders because these coins, as you know, are very small. So once I'm fine with it, I can simply click on buy. After that, I will have it right here under my meme balance. So here I will have all the coins that I currently have invested in. And if I want to sell a coin, I simply go to the opposite, just sell, type in the amount, click on sell, and you will have it back as available balance on your account. Don't forget to get an account on Femex by using the link down from the video description to get up to $4,800 of welcome bonuses. And if you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.